Good morning, guys. Welcome to our live trading session. Before we start, let me know if you can hear me, if you can see me. I'm gonna give you some time because there is small delay. I will double check over here, but it looks like everything should be working. Let me just open the chat. Okay. Hello, Victor. Can you hear me? Can you see me? Let me know. Yes. Okay. Everything is good. Hello, Romek. Hello, guys. So let's start our live trading session. We're going to look for some opportunities on the market using all-in ASAP strategy. And I got some news for you because from next year, we're going to do live trading session in the morning and during US session, but we're going to use several different strategies, not only ASAP. We're going to use ASAP in the morning, smart money concept, maybe money flow, API strategy, API Asia. So we're gonna use different strategies from next year. Okay, the same during US session. We're gonna do price action cycle, maybe smart money concept, maybe money flow. We will see. Depends what's the conditions gonna be on the market. So I think uh, that will be much better because maybe we're gonna be able to find some more opportunities. Okay, but today let's focus on all-in ASAP strategy because this strategy is working the best in the morning. So we're gonna check microeconomic calendar in the second. Just give me 30 seconds. I need to change the internet connection. Okay, because something is wrong. Okay, so it should be good now. Yeah, nice. More setups, more strategies, not only ASAP, because sometimes there's no opportunities, no targets, so we cannot trade in the morning. But we got different strategies, so we're gonna use different strategies to make some even more profits. All right, guys. So let's have a look at our microeconomic calendar. What's going on today? Today's Tuesday, the 9th of December, and we are looking at high impact news. We got something here today. I can see in Australian dollar, we had cash rate and interest rate decision in the morning in Australia. We're going to have a look at Australian dollar, but that was in the morning. And later on, about 1 hour time, we got Bank of Japan. Government WEDA speaks. So maybe currency pair with uh, Japanese yen. Maybe it's better to avoid that currency pair in the morning. And later on, we got USD ADP weekly employment change, but there's no specific time for that, so don't worry about it. And JOLTS, 4 p.m. Central East Time, we got JOLTS job openings. This is quite important, and we can expect more activity on the market. So it's better to close position before and maybe go back into the charts after those news, maybe 30 minutes later. Okay. All right, so we know in our calendar we got some news at 4 p.m. We got still plenty of time. So let's jump onto the charts and let's check if we got any targets. Okay, so I'm going to open MT4 platform. We are using this platform in the morning. Let me just switch it here. Okay, so Euro USD. Do we have any targets? Yes, we do have a target. We got one target which is above the price about 17 pips, but we got another one which is 24 pips away. This might be quite interesting. Let's see 4 hour time frame because we need to check what is the market structure. Okay, market structure from 4 hour time frame. Let's have a look. Latest swings we had here. That was swing high. We got swing low over here, then swing high. It's hard to say if we got swing right here. It was open of the day. I'm gonna mark it like this, but it doesn't look too good. And it looks like we are in bearish market structure from 4-hour time frame. So we are on the way down. If we are on the way down, this target might be attractive for us. Okay, we are away 23 pips, which is good. Maybe we can open position now, but we need to check few additional things. First of all, I'm gonna look for rotation channel, if we got any rotation channel right here. So let's check it out. The best if we can catch two first swings. Usually they works the best. So this is our rotation channel. We got two swings, first one and the second one, and this is working quite well. Here we got some kind of breakout through this rotation channel. Let me just add the line from the top. Okay, this is our rotation channel. We got some breakout, which is good. It's been retested. Some kind of retest, yes. 1 hour time frame. You can see price went through, retested, and we are on the way down. This is 1 hour time frame. So what we need over here, we just need this candle to close. To be honest, that candle closed under exponential moving average. So basically, we could open the position here. Because price action, sorry, all-in ASAP strategy is not that complicated. We need to just add few other things. We need to check if there are any clusters. There is reaction at another rotation channel. Maybe it's a bearish rotation channel right here. This is looking pretty good. I just need to see if we got any clusters. We have a cluster. This one here, this is some kind of support resistance zone. So basically, we could open the position now because, but it might be a little bit risky. Maybe it's a better idea to wait for this candle to close under this cluster. Okay, it's gonna be more safe for us because price can stop over here, and this candle may finish like this. Bullish, okay? So we don't want to do that. I don't want to enter too early. We are at support resistance zone and some kind of cluster, so we need to be careful. We still got plenty of time. We got 50 minutes for this candle to close. Let me just check lower time frame. Maybe we can join the market from lower time frame. It's looking good, I would say, but a bit late. Okay, you can see reaction now. So we don't want to enter too early. If they're gonna go straight down, not a problem. We're gonna look for something else, okay? But here we need to wait and see what's gonna happen at this cluster right here. It's quite important. The rest is working fine because we got breakout through rotation channel from 4-hour time frame. We got some kind of rotation channel, bearish rotation channel from 1-hour time frame, and we had reaction at the top of this rotation channel. So we are on the way down. This is looking very good, but the only problem is this cluster. So we're gonna come back to this one in the second, in few minutes time, okay? I want to check previous day high, low. Okay, it's looking good. If you are thinking about reaction at this target right here, I would say yes, it's okay, but I'm not gonna set order for reaction because I got 3 different clusters. I got one cluster here, another one, and another one. So this is like a zone, okay? And we had already reaction. So I cannot set it here because it will be too risky for me. We're gonna look for some other trades. This is looking pretty good, but we need to wait for the perfect entry. So we need few more informations, few more candles from 5 minutes time frame, or this candle to close under this cluster. Okay, so our risk to reward will be 1 to 1 because we got only 20 pips around. We're gonna have around 20 pips to the target. So we will have to set stop loss for 20 pips also. It's gonna be outside the rotation channel, higher than this cluster. So we should be safe over here. So if you're gonna enter position here, take profit in this place, risk to reward 1 to 1. Unfortunately, we can get more from this trade. We need to leave some space for stop loss. This is very important so the market can breathe, in, out. So that can make sense. You can see reaction. So this candle basically can finish like this. Okay, so maybe if we're gonna go higher, we're gonna check. Maybe we're gonna have a chance to enter later. For now, let's leave it. Let's move to the next one, GBP/USD. GBP/USD. Let me check the charts. Okay, GBP/USD. This is 1 hour time frame. Let's check for the targets. We have a target. This target is from 2 days, from Friday, basically. And how far are we from this target? 20 pips. But can we open the position? Can we do it right now? Not sure about that. 4 hour time frame. We need to find out what is the market structure at this moment. It may be bearish because if we look at the swings, we got 2 candles right here, but I can say this is the swing. We had swing low right here, and this can be our swing high, but I cannot see price closing under this low. Okay, I know we got some wicks breaking through, but if I want to say that we got bearish market structure, the candle need to close under this low. So not yet, I would say. For me, we are more bullish than bearish. For me, it looks like spike and flag from price action cycle strategy, but from higher time frame. From higher time frame. Okay, so there is a chance we're gonna go up. I don't want to mix the strategies in the morning. Let's check if this target got any cluster. Maybe we can set order for reaction. Not really. We got 2 clusters which are under the price, unfortunately. So not able to use it. Okay. There is another target which is 81 pips away. But for me, it's too far. Let's look for some other targets. 4 hour time frame. Okay. So what we got over here? We got target which is around 20 pips. A bit tight, I would say. A bit tight. But if you look at market structure, 4 hour time frame, I'm pretty sure we are bullish. We got the latest swings right here. So it looks like bullish market structure for me. And we got some kind of rotation channel. I think this is from lower time frame. I said it before, yes. So we got nice reactions from the top. This is 1 hour time frame. Price is rotating in this channel. The only thing is we got overshoot right here. Okay. So because we got this situation, the price went through rotation channel and came back down, we may expect the same situation or something similar on the other side. So we can expect something similar on this side. Usually it's a fake breakout. So traders thinking, okay, we are breaking through the trend line, so the price needs to go down. No, they don't need to go down. It might be just fake breakout, and they're gonna come back into the channel, and we're gonna get to the full to the our target. So we may use this information here because I don't know if we're gonna go up. It's looking good because there was a reaction at rotation channel. So maybe from lower time frame after the breakout retest, maybe we can open the position to get to this target. Maybe I don't know that. We're gonna see lower time frame. But first of all, I want to look at this situation right here. Okay, so mm, we can have something like this on the other side. So the price may drop down and then we're gonna go back up. This might be something we want to trade. Okay, so first of all, we can leave this resistance line right here. Let me just add previous day, previous week, previous month, high and low. Okay, over here we got previous week high, which is good. We got reaction at previous week high. It's good. Do we need it? Not really. I can remove that. Previous day we don't need because it's outside our trading range. This is our trading range, so it's outside the box. We can remove it, and previous month the same. So let me just check this exponential moving average 21. So I'm looking for a situation like that. The price needs to drop down or similar breakout as here. Then they need to go back up, break through the trend line, retest, signal candle, and we can open the trade. Maybe a little bit smaller stop loss because I want to get 2 to 1. I know it's gonna be a little bit tight with the stop loss, but it should work. So we can look for this situation for sure. So let me just make a screenshot. And we're gonna put that in the trading journal. ASAP strategy, we got 09th of December. Okay, we are looking at which currency pair was it? USD CHF? Yes. USD CHF. This is 1 hour time frame. Price is moving in bullish rotation channel. Price is moving in bullish rotation channel. There is overshoot, so I can expect similar I need to see Asian channel. and break through resistance line. Okay, we got one plan, but what if we're gonna go straight up right now? Let's go to 5 minutes time frame. They try to break through this trend line, but maybe it's a fake breakout, maybe. Okay, so if we're gonna go higher, I want to see retest of this resistance line, and if after retest we're gonna see signal candle, we're gonna look at exponential moving average as well. We're gonna have our chance to open the position. Risk to reward at least two. Think 2 to 1 should be 1 to 2 should be okay with stop loss like this. So this can be our second plan. We're gonna look for this situation as well from lower time frame, from 5 minutes time frame. Okay. Okay, let's put that in trading journal. Second option from 5 minutes time frame. I just need to wait for the price to break through and retest resistance line, and after reaction okay, so we got another one. We have another one. One second, guys. Okay, what's next? What's next? 2 seconds, 2 seconds, 2 seconds. USDCAD. USDCAD, do we have any targets? Target one is under the price, but we are 21 pips away. We are above exponential moving average, and I think we are in bearish market structure, yes, from higher time frame. So I don't want to open. No, this is done. 1 second. We are in bearish market structure. So basically, we could use this target, but we are too close at this moment because if the price will break through, we're gonna have few pips only left. So if the price will go higher, maybe yes, maybe later after we're gonna be able to use it, but not at this moment. We are too close. Unless we got any cluster, we have a cluster basically. The USDCAD. 10 pips. 10 pips. I'm not gonna set order for reaction because it's a little bit too risky for me. This target right here, we got some imbalances. This is from different strategy, but I can see those imbalances, and there is a chance the price gonna go lower to close those imbalances, and we might hit stop loss because 10 pips won't be enough probably. Maybe yes, maybe not. So for me, it's a little bit too risky. So I will leave it. Maybe on our next live trading session, if the price will be higher, we're gonna look for the trade to go down, but not from here. No chance. Okay, USD JPY is running away. Okay. The target is quite far because it's 86 pips and the price down already 60. So it can be hard to get there unless jolts later on, they're going to push the price. But if we want to look at this target, we need to wait for some pullback because the price is quite far from exponential moving average. So it's better to wait for some pullback. Maybe later on, not sure about that. We are in some kind of support resistance zone as well. The price was reacting in this area. So who knows? We might stop, we might see pullback and then continuation. But at this moment, we are unable to use this target. Okay. So we will have to leave it. Let me just have a look at USD CHF. Good. The first plan maybe will be available for us soon because we might see the breakout and come back and we're gonna try to use it. Okay, let me check one more thing. Yes. Good, very good. Okay, so USD JPY, no, Australian dollar, no targets, New Zealand dollar. I'm happy that we're gonna use some other strategies from next year because there are a lot of opportunities from smart money concepts in the morning. This is the great timing for that strategy. So I'm happy we can use those strategies. I will show you a few nice setups as well. So next year, hopefully you're gonna enjoy the sessions even more. All right, daily target on crude oil. Do we have any targets? Yes, there is a target. It's 160 pips away. Let's look at average trading range during the day. This is 100 pips, 100 pips, 100 pips, yes, 120 pips, 110 pips, around 100 pips. This target is away 160 pips, so it can be hard to get there today. We can see over here some kind of resistance zone, support resistance zone. So maybe later or maybe tomorrow, if we're gonna break through, retest, we're gonna have our chance. But take it easy, guys. We can wait for that. Okay, maybe we're gonna have to wait till tomorrow. Not a problem. Okay. We are after the strong impulse, so we might see pullback first. Then maybe they're gonna break through. Maybe tomorrow, maybe the next day. But the thing is, we need to wait for the breakout through this support resistance zone. Okay. All right. So one more. We got gold. Okay. What about gold? We got two targets. One is 570 pips and 300 pips. What is the market structure from 4-hour time frame? The latest swings, we had swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, and we got breakout. So breakout in this place. We got bearish market structure because We can see breakout through the last swing low. So we can say we are in bearish market structure, which is good because we are on the way to this target. Maybe we can use it. Let's check 1 hour time frame and let's see what we got on the chart. We need to mark few important areas. Let me do it from 4 hour time frame. I think we got few important zones on the way to our target. This for sure. Look at this area. The price, there was a problem to break through. Okay, huge problem. Few candles from 4 hour time frame. This 4 hour time frame. So they couldn't break through. After the breakout, there was a retest reaction, and now we got another reaction. So this is quite important for sure. So if we're gonna get here, there is a chance we're gonna bounce. Actually, there was a reaction, so we can bounce now. Let's go to 1 hour time frame. Also, we got some support resistance zone in here. So do we have enough space for us? Because we are in some kind of support resistance zone and there is another zone right here, it might be too risky for us. Let me just check if we got any rotation channel. Maybe yes, we'll see. After the breakout, there is a chance we're gonna go higher. So this moment is quite important for us. But if we're gonna have reaction, it might be the risk is too high because of this zone. Probably would have to wait for the price to break through this zone, retest it, but I'm not sure if we're gonna have enough space. We got space, but if we're gonna break through, they might go straight down to this target. Okay. Reaction at gold, it's very, very risky, and try to avoid setups for reaction. Okay, because if you're gonna set even for 100 pips, because 10 pips doesn't make sense on gold. So let's say for 100 pips, still your stop loss maybe not enough for 100 pips. Okay, gold is sometimes running very fast, huge moves. Look at this 1 hour candle, they've done 500 pips. So it's better to avoid setups for reaction on this one. Okay, let's go back to euro. You see, I told you not to open the position because you need to be patient, because if you see candle like this, you are thinking, okay, we are breaking through, I'm in position, and the candle finish like this. That's why you need to be patient and you need to wait for the candle to close to avoid this situation. If you would open trade here, you would be in loss already. So that's why we are waiting. So there is a chance we're gonna go here, we're gonna bounce again, and if the price will close under this cluster, we're gonna enter the position, but not earlier. Okay, not earlier. That's why clusters are that's why clusters are so important, because this can save us from stop loss. If we know where the cluster is, this is the place where we can be blocked. Okay, so euro, we need to wait. GBP USD, no, not yet. Yeah, USD CHF. Guys, we can make another plan basically, because if we're gonna jump to 5 minutes time frame, you can see we are reacting again at the bottom edge of rotation channel. So if we're gonna break through, retest, we're gonna open the position. But we are still waiting for this fake breakout, come back into rotation channel, and enter the position. So we got two options now. Okay. The third option I cannot accept. The third option is breakout and boom, uh, bearish move. So we don't want to see that. We want this one or the other one, first or second setup. So yeah, we need to wait for a few more candles from 5 minutes time frame. From 5 minutes time frame. What else can we do from this strategy? Oh, nice. USD JPY is breaking through. I'm thinking about some new targets from all in ASAP, but I think they are all down this morning. Gold, the same. Probably, yes. The price is already on the way. Let's check. Yeah, the target is done. Look, the price got to the target right now. So we are late. We are late. Unfortunately, no. Okay. Right here, we won't have any target as well. I think it's all done. JPY probably has a target in the morning. So maybe we can use it. Let's check. Let me just change the settings. Loads. No, the target is already settled. It's done. The price got to the target. So no. And not really. USD CAD. I think the best option for us, and maybe not the only one, because we can use Euro USD, but we need to wait for this candle to close. We need to stop here, a reaction, and we need to close under this cluster. So we may have a chance to open the trade. 1 to 1 probably on this trade, risk to reward, because we got 20 pips. We're going to have 20 pips from this area to the target. So something like this. Let me just save it. I'm not sure if I've saved it already. Not, I don't think so. No. Euro USD, 1 hour time frame. One second, 1 second. Price is moving in bearish rotation channel. And it stopped at the top of the channel. I need to see action right now. And the candle from 1 hour time frame needs to close under the cluster. So I can open position with risk to reward 1 to 1. Okay. So we got 3 different plans. See, that's why it's gonna be good if we're gonna use other strategies, because we're gonna have more options. Okay, we're gonna have more options. Okay, all right. So we got USD CHF and Euro USD. Okay. This one not yet, and the other one I'm still waiting for this fake breakout. Okay. To be honest, it's gonna be best option for me if I'm gonna see fake breakout because of this overshoot. Fake breakout, then come back, and I'm pretty sure we can get to this target easily. But first, we need to see this fake breakout. Without that, the setup will be also good if we're gonna go straight up retest from lower time frame. But this option is the best for me. Okay, this is gonna be the best option for me. All right, guys, I don't think we have any more to do. All targets, I think we went through all the major currency pairs, gold and crude oil. We got 3 different plans, so we cannot do any more. So we still got some time, guys. Let me show you something, because I'm not sure if you know about that already. Let's have a look at MFA Traders. Traders is a partner of ALLinTraders, guys, and there is something new. Something I think everyone was waiting for. I wish that kind of accounts were available a few years ago. I wish. Okay, let me tell you what I mean. Challenge details. Look at here. In MFA Trader, this is prop trading company. You can try your skills, and you can try the challenge. This is access account, so you can get access to the account, but you need to pass 2 phases. First phase and second phase, okay, which is verification phase. If you can do that, if you can prove to the company that you can trade well, company will provide you the capital, and if you make any profits, you can withdraw money. Okay, that's how it works. You don't risk your own money. Company takes the risks. But now we got something new, instant account. So you don't need to go through the phase 1 and phase 2. There is a fee. If you pay that fee, let's say $89 for $2,000 account, that's your fee, but you are straight on founded account. So you're straight on live account. You pay this fee and you get $2,000 live account, and all the profits you make, you can withdraw after 7 days. The only thing is there is 1%. You need to at least make 1% of profit to withdraw. Okay. And there are 3 different types of account. The starter account is the lowest daily drawdown, 3.5% and 7% of daily drawdown, maximum drawdown. But if you want standard, like standard conditions, like on access account, there is advanced account, and you got drawdown of 5% and maximum drawdown of 10%. Okay, and you can withdraw money after 7 days. So these are live accounts. If you want to get access straight to live account without phase 1, phase 2, you can have that. All you need to do is pay fee, and you will get access up to $50,000 account. Okay, and one more, if you need some more space for mistakes, maybe you need more room for mistakes, there is account with 12% of drawdown. Okay, maximum drawdown, 5% daily, 12 maximum. So I think this is pretty cool. I wish we had those accounts few years ago, because I was struggling to pass the phase 1, phase 2. Sometimes it was taking me few months to pass. So I'm pretty sure you can deal with similar problems, but here you can get access straight to live accounts. And if you make any profits, you can make payouts. So this is pretty good, guys. So if you didn't check those accounts yet, go to the website mfatraders.com and check those accounts. Uh, this is something you might need. All right, guys, I think that's it for this live trading session because there's nothing else we can do, to be honest. There is a reaction at euro, so we need candle to close, maybe next candle to close under this cluster. And what about USD CHF? Not yet. Not yet. So we know what to do. We just need to wait for the price to break through here or break on Euro USD, and we got ready setup. So I'm going to look for those setups. If I see any of these setups, I will enter the position and we will check later if we can get any profit from that or not. So guys, thank you very much for this session. I will see you later on, 2 p.m. Central East Time. We're going to have another live trading session and we're going to use price action strategy. So we're going to jump into 5 minutes time frame, maybe 3 minutes time frame, and we're going to look for perfect entry because I still need to make some money. I got time till 17th of December to make $50,000. I got already 13,000, so I'm missing $37,000. So we need to trade. I need to open the trade today. Okay, guys. So thank you very much for this session. I will see you on the next one. So that's it. Thank you. See you later.